Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm playing some Prototype. I was bored. I hadn't recorded something in a while, so I decided to play some Prototype. There may be a little microphone I'm not gonna say lag, but echoing, because my old microphone crapped out. So I'm having to use my one that's in my webcam, so it's not so good. This is just gonna be kind of screwing around in Prototype. No story spoilers. Killing everything in our path, nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, oh goody. Whip fist. Okay. You. Catch. Good catch. Can I get that guy from here? Oh yeah. This is gonna be fun. Let's see. Let's get hide. There's a car coming. Hey, you, military guy. Can you catch? Good, you caught it. How about you? Can you catch this? I don't know. I'm just gonna go boom. Okay, just making sure. I think he's okay. That is a tang. Oh yeah. My friend told me that I forgot to put in the how the vehicles work in this game, but I'm not. I might as well grab one. So, this is the only vehicle I can get in now, but there's like helicopters, and there was an APC earlier. A lot of good stuff. I got the tank. Everybody's dead in it. Nope, no strike team. No strike team. Bugger. Where are they? Up. You're dead. Oh yay! Strike team. Did I get him? Did I get him? Did I get him? There's gonna be a lot of did I get him? Did I get him? Did I get him? Come on. That had to hit. Ooh. Oh, come on. Come on, get him. That's it. I'm getting in the helicopter. Just take a quick drink while I hijack. Feels good to be back at the wheel of a helicopter after a while. So helicopters have 3 weapons. I'm trying to remember how to switch. There we go. Homing missile. Homing missile. Up. Come on. There we go. I win. I really don't know what to do. There's no thought going into this. Just pick up a remote. My laptop is nearby. I'm just record. Slow down time. What was it? What was the hand fist attack? Nope. Was it this? Nope. Just like run forward. Just run forward and hold Y. Really, I have no idea. Oh, there we go. Squish. This game makes people go squish so well. Helicopter. Catch me. Good catch. And nope. Helicopter. I need you to catch me again. Catch me. Helicopter. Elbow. What? I just elbow drop a helicopter. I've never done that in all honesty. Catch me. This game is so ridiculous after a while. Oh, there's what looks like a landmark or a hint. I saw it. Was it the hint? Oh no, it's a landmark collectible. Oh good. Here, helicopter. Elbow drop. So that's like a mini viral detector. I want to elbow drop a helicopter. There we go. Alright, let's all drop a helicopter. Come here, you. Aw, I didn't have enough range. Oh, I might die here, so... Fly. Come on, get away, get away, get away, get away. Hop. You're tiny. Oh, that was so close. Away. No, I might die. Might as well die spectacular. That guy just disappeared. He just dissolved. Oh, come on. I was air shot by a helicopter. Come on, come on. Are they killing each other? Didn't do it. Drop. Catch me! Oh, this so much damage. Come on. I'll be no. I'll do this. I love doing this. Where is it? And oh no, wrong button. Jump and kick. Just kick it out of the sky. It'd be so awesome if you could actually do that in real life. Just be able to jump 50 feet in the air and kick a helicopter out of the sky. I'm sorry about the delay there. I was still kind of getting over what just happened. I kicked a missile out of the sky. I don't know. Helicopter, catch me! Oh. Come on. Come here, ye. Is it running away? Are you sick of fighting Alex Mercer? Well, too bad. What was that? Yeah, are you gonna do that again? Oh, it didn't work. What was it? I was like a foot above the ground. Just a second. Nope. Oh, there we go. Just kind of hover. Just like levitate in place. Oh, there we go. I really don't know. This is kind of really ridiculously spontaneous as a tank. You're dead. I'll just kick you into a group of people. Where's that tank go? There's the tank. Oh, that's my tank. Just gonna take it back? And nope. Oh, that's another tank shooting at me. Tank combat in this game isn't like very good. It's just kind of, oh, you're in my way, I shoot you once. Oh, there's a guy. Oh my goodness, tanks to spawn here. Get away, and I'm fine. Wait, what? Okay. I'm gonna do that again. I'm going to jump, and you go up when you bring your... I don't even know English, or physics, I don't know. You're getting away. Okay, I'll run away from you. Huh. I'll just grab this car, don't mind me. Car. Ooh. I'll just hijack you. Long distance hijack powers, go. There's a lot of button mashing in this game. Oh. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. I'm just gonna get out of this tank. Yeah, I'm totally one of you guys. You didn't just see me hijack a tank. I love this. I love how kicked a tank. I pushed the wrong button. And leg drop? I'm okay. Here, I'm gonna Charge up a punch. I'm more powerful than Spider-Man, Superman, and Batman. I just added Batman because, I don't know, reasons. Go away, helicopters. I want to pull out my... Oh, excuse me. Burps. I want to pull out my muscle mass. Go away. Good, they're gone. Muscle mass. And gone. And gone. I just love being able to do this. Hey, you. You're dead. Ooh. Ooh. That's a really weird rib cage. Hey, car. Catch. Ooh. You just disappeared. Where'd that? What? How are they meant to get one? And people just... I'm surprised New York hasn't run into people yet, because these people are exploding. Are they having like a baby making project in the Blackwatch thing? Actually, you know what? No. Where's the map? That's the wrong button. This is the right button. Where's that Gen Tech area? I think it's... Is that it? Okay, it's either here... all the way down here. I'm gonna go all the way down here to this end. Oh no, those are the bridges. I think it's down there. So, I'm gonna go to one end of the map. You'll never catch me. I'm the gingerbread flying guy who likes to squish people. Hey look, a person. Oh, that's right, I have that too. Hey you. Oh, nope, that's a tank. I'm running. Whoop. I said she'd do a swan dive here. Here we go. Swan dive! It is everything in that area explodes. I'm gonna check if I'm going the right way. Yeah, I am, okay. Like, you can just stay to this end of New York, I can walk to one end. It takes like 15 minutes to sprint from one end of the map to the other, so now it's story time. I have no stories. What? What? Is that a couch? Where'd the couch come from? Throw the couch at the... I hit the tag. Oh my god. But yeah, Merry Christmas everybody, Happy New Year, because I'm recording this a bit late. I meant to do a Skyrim video, because I'm wearing like, the best shirt for it. But I was gonna make a really fat Nord for Skyrim and like make him all fat and jolly and give him the biggest, whitest beard I could do. But no, I'm playing because it kind of crapped out. Those are tanks. I'm just gonna fly over them. But yeah, my Skyrim crapped out, so I'm playing Prototype as I sprint through the streets of Manhattan. But yeah, there's nothing. I'm gonna run past that because there are hunters here. So those big pink fleshy things that just threw cars at me, those are hunters. They are from hell. I think I ran to the wrong end of the map. Oh no, right end of the map. This is the Gen Tech thing. Okay, I'm just gonna sprint through here. But this is all militarized. So there's like gunships, there's these things, there's me things. Yeah, this is the one end of the map that's all military. And that's all it is. It's all military. And there's like a super secret base here. And I wish I could get in that. I think there's actually something on top of it. Oh, I missed. Pardon me, guys. Oh, there's nothing on top of it. But there was a helicopter they had to steal over there. I just like running around this area. Because, look, here, I wish the map would zoom out. Oh, yeah, there is something, okay. But just, see all those green things on the floor? Those are all military. There were just so many of them. And if I like pulled out a power, there was one mission where you had to run away, and I didn't know you were disguised as a military guy, and I didn't know if you pulled out your powers, they would attack you. So I pulled up my whip fist, and like 80 guys, like everybody just swarmed out of it. Look at all these guys. So I like just like 80 of them, like like everybody pulled out again and just shot me to shit. Oh my god. Oh, I pushed one, so now I'm suspicious. Oh yeah, they've also locked off the bridges to Manhattan. So I'm just gonna quickly run off one to show you what happens. Okay. If they'll stop shooting at me. So yeah, just sprinting. I think it's like right about now. Oh, is this? Yep, here we go. Airstrikes. You can't get past it. It just airstrikes you. It says no, you're not allowed. Yeah, it just airstrikes you if you go too far. Oh, like a kangaroo just bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Yeah. Anyway, the reason I wanted to wear this amazing shirt, the shirt I'm currently wearing right now is a picture of the Dragonborn with a bandage over his knee, and there's like a little caption under it that says, "Took it out to the knee, still an adventurer." One of the best shirts I've ever gotten. I also got another really good one, which it's all over the internet. It says, "I ate some pie in mathematical equations, and it was good," and just I love that shirt. I want to pick someone up and just you're looking sad. Oh no. Oh, where'd you go? You come here. Hit that guy. Good. Oh yeah. Destructible trees that I can throw them at people. Game of the year 20 whatever. You. I'm just gonna calmly walk away from this tank. Oh, I switched in dust where I thought they couldn't see me, but they saw me. This game's logic, so it's impeccable. And it dropped. Who saw me? Oh, the helicopter. How I love you, Prototype, and you were like, oh look, here's a helicopter that magically saw you. I don't know why I gestured there. Okay, here's a huge base. Ooh, web of intrigue target. Where are you? You. Come here, you. Don't you run away from me. Punch your face in. Yeah, I'm not going to play the movie because it's like 10 minutes long, but I'm already 20 minutes into a video. This video, I have no idea how long it's going to be. It's kind of a Christmas special. Let me get up the goddamn building, helicopters. Jesus Christ. Come here. Up. Yeah, I love you guys. All of you who view the videos, all two of you. But I love you guys. You make me so happy. And round the corner. Oh, that was a missile. Switch. Hut. You can't. I'm not who you thought I was. So I will sprint and do a impossibly high jump in the air. I'm part of the Olympics. I'm doing the weirdest things. I have my hands behind my head holding my remote, and I'm not even looking at the remote. Car? Wait, I'll do that again. Through the car. But I have something called running grab. If you run at a car and you push B, you do a flip and grab the car. Catch. Oh, did you catch it? No, I want to grab. You're gonna. This is your birthday present, helicopter. Catch. How did you not die from that? Catch. Here, person. Okay, 3 cars. No panic. 1 person. Instant military alert. Way to go. I love helicopters, but I hate them as well. Why did I... Oh.
Throw. Things are around me. That didn't do anything. I need to eat people. Be right back. Nom. Stop following me. What did I do? I only threw a person at you. Get back into the... Oh! Yeah, if you could hear the remote, it's because I'm smashing it, because it's being unresponsive and derpy. Come on. Around the corner. Switch. Yeah. I knew I saw something there. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the strike team to disappear. I'm just gonna keep standing here. And it's gone. Magic. Did you see that blue dot up there? I'm going for it. Come here, you blue bastard. Oh, I hate the wall climbing in this game. I love it, but I also hate it. Got it. My guy has a mustache. Wait. Let's see what he can... Yeah, there you go. Mustache. He's apparently a fan of the rip-off team, the Bets. That looks like fun to play in. Yup, and nothing. That was a huge disappointment. I need some health though, so nom. Don't mind me just beating. Nom. Okay, full health. Did I buy the ability? Because I don't think I did. Oh, yeah, I was the wrong. Twitchy menu controls. Combat. Good, I did get the critical pain devastator. Okay, this is like the best attack ever. Okay. Look at this. He's gone. This is mush. Also, and the basic thing is like a force push. Force push. And God, the car explode. Yeah, guns. I am Alex Mercer, the yeah, operational report. Aww. That's not the okay. I've had a military bleh. I've had an operational report where my thing was like $50 billion in military expenditure. It was hilarious, and it was like 200,000 civilian casualties. Yep. These things. I love these things. Oh, you're dead. That was a mistake. No, you're not one. You're dead anyway. Just gone. I think this is, yeah, this is one. One. Nom. It's not whoosh. And his head just disappears into him. Nah, LMG. Dirt nap. That's called the Hunter Dirt Nap, by the way. Oh, I love this game. It's so good and just gory. Nah, machine gun. Punch. And nom. just absorbed. Where do these things keep coming from? Oh. I'm just gonna kill everything. I'm doing hand gestures and I don't have to. I don't know why I'm doing hand gestures. You. I'm in need of delicious. They just dissolve. Come here, you. Here. This is the Hunter Dirt Nap when they're double health. Boom. Don't die. Don't die. Ah, you bastard. You killed him. Now, let's see. Squish. I'm just gonna stand here and look up as death rains down upon us. And the holy fire, I don't know the line, but it's like holy fire fell from the sky, blah blah blah. There's one to be eaten over there. You! Nom up! Just got a tree thrown at me. You have a gun. And a face in need of knowledge. I'll just take the gun then. And squish. I hit the guy behind him with the squish. There'll be probably several videos going on today, but I'm gonna end it here, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm just gonna eat this guy before I go. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I will claw him. Please be push wrong button. Oh my god. But anyway, yeah, guys. Thank you. I don't thank you enough. But like, subscribe, all that jazz. Comment what you got for Christmas, actually. And goodbye, everybody. I got one that wasn't very fun.